Hey guys, what's poppin'? Yes, I am on the kitchen table, but let's just forget about it. So, let's continue. If you want soft arms and you don't know how, make this. It's DIY. A DIY scrub. And you can add any scent to it. And I'm going to show you how to make it. So, your ingredients. Salt. Not like the pink salt. I'll show you what salt. Normal kitchen salt. And then you're going to need sunflower oil or olive oil. I use sunflower oil because it just smells better. You can use any scent. You can use lavender. I prefer the lemon. So I'm going to get all those ingredients. And you're going to need a bowl. Okay. I'm getting them. Oh, and I forgot. You also need a teaspoon. Okay. We've got all the ingredients here. So, the bowl. I'm using a hot shape because it's just the teaspoon. Yes, this is my favorite one. Lemon juice. This salt. And most importantly, the oil. That's what actually makes your hands soft. So what you're going to do, you're going to take your bowl. Take salt. And you're going to pour it until it covers the bottom of your little bowl or Tupperware. You can also do this in a Tupperware if you want to keep it to look like this. Now you're going to take your oil. You're going to pour it in until it covers the salt. Like this. Now you're going to take your scent. I'm using just plain old lemon juice. And adding 4 drops. 4. Taking my teaspoon and stirring it just thoroughly enough so it will look like this. So now you're going to get a bowl, but like a big bowl, a baking bowl. There. I'm going to get that like this, and you're going to put lukewarm water. Not hot, but lukewarm. If it's too hot, put a block of ice. Now I'm going to get that. Okay? Kettle. Okay? Mine is just, I don't like it. So it's quite high. I'm going to get some more water. Okay. So about this high is good. But now what you're going to do is you're going to take a scrub. You're not going to use a spoon anymore. You're done with the spoon. Okay, you're going to take a little with your hands. Okay? And you're going to scrub it in your hands. And this is a hack that I definitely did not see on YouTube. Let's just say I didn't. I'm going to take a little more. It's just so good. You're going to wash up to pretty high. Going to wash up to right before your elbow. Okay, like this. Going to even take a little more if you want. Now, I'm going to get on my knees. I'll try to. Okay. Perfect. Now you're gonna put your hands in the water and wash the scrub off. Look how shiny my skin is. Mom, come feel while it's still wet.
No, I can see. It looks...
No, come feel. So. Okay, you're gonna take the lappy. You're gonna wipe. So soft. Perfecto. Now you're just gonna kaplunk this into a Tupperware. I can't find the word now. Okay. control. Okay, you're gonna plonk this right into the Tupperware. You're gonna stir it all together. You're gonna get a lid for the Tupperware so all your kaplonked work does not get destroyed. Okay. Now, after you're done with that, and wait, you're not done yet. You're gonna grab some hand cream. And you're gonna put, it's gonna be so nice. It's just so soft. Mom, you can feel how soft.
Wow. Imagine if you do that scrub with your whole body.
Oh.
I think you need to have a spa day with me and do that with me.
Look how hard I've massaged. It's making my skin red.
Good job.
As I'm rubbing this, my skin is literally turning red. Like, not out of allergic reaction. I'm allergic to nothing but honey. And maybe beetroot as well.
You just don't like it.
I'm allergic. See, my mom doesn't know what I'm allergic to. Anyway, I wish you guys could feel how soft this was right now. Oh, I still need to run a bath. And you are done. Look how red my skin is, actually. Look how red my skin is. Anyway, that's my little video done. I hope you guys make this thingy. It's so good. And it's so worth it. Anyway, love y'all. Bye.